Here are some interesting facts about camels. There are two types of camel in the world, the one-humped camel called the Arabian camel or dromedary camel, and the two-humped camel called the Bactrian camel. Camels are found in the dry desert areas of northern Africa and Asia. Most people believe their humps store water, but they actually store fat. The fat is used as an emergency fuel when other food sources are not available. Camels can survive without food and water for long periods of time. Most animals will die of dehydration if they lose just 15% of their body's water supply. But camels can lose 25% of their body's water without becoming dehydrated. Their red blood cells are oval-shaped, which allows them to cope better with dehydration. When camels have the opportunity to drink, they will consume large amounts of water. They can drink up to 100 liters in just 10 minutes. In order to retain water, when camels urinate, they will use a very limited amount of water to expel the urine. Therefore, their urine is very thick and will often look like a syrup. Camels will very rarely sweat in order to reserve water. As well as being able to survive in extremely hot conditions, they can also survive in very cold conditions during the winter. Camels can grow up to 7 feet tall and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Camels have a thick coat of fur that reflects sunlight and serves as an insulation from both heat and sand. They have additional eyelids as well as 2 rows of eyelashes to help prevent sand from entering their eyes. Camels have fur inside their ears to help prevent dust and sand from entering them. Also, their nostrils prevent sand from entering by closing between breaths. When camels are provoked, they spit a greenish substance which is regurgitated from their stomach. This is done to repel unwanted provocation. Also, they use their legs to kick in self-defense. Their legs can move in all directions. Camels are herbivores. They eat mainly dried leaves, seeds, and desert plants. They live to an average age of between 40 and 50 years old. Females are pregnant for between 9 and 14 months, depending on the availability of food. They give birth to 1 calf. Calves are able to run within just a few hours after they are born. Thank you very much for listening. For more videos about wildlife, please subscribe.